Holy smokes. I knew this was going to happen. You heard about it, you read about it, but it's pretty cool happening right here in Charlotte. There is actually more on the southeastern side of Charlotte. Gotta always give that Ballantyne, that East South Charlotte. They're always ahead of the game. But yeah, man, how cool is that? Drones now, we put in, I mean, hell, we got enough obesity in this country. Let's get the food to you faster. We don't want any traffic delays at all. So pretty cool. So if you live in the southeastern quarter, look out for little flying drones come around. Boy, how crazy is that? You could be on a sidewalk and be like, yep, you know what? I'm really hungry. I want something. So anyways, I just found this article pretty exciting to share with you. I knew it was happening. I've been reading about it and seeing it, but right here in Charlotte, that is taking place. So for some useless, really not too informative in the real estate world, except down in the Ballantyne, one of the richer part of Charlotte, you got DoorDash and drones now coming your way. So anyways, I thought this was a fun little article to share with you all. What do you think about it? Do you want drones flying your food around? Let me know below. I'm kind of intrigued to see what people think about it. All right, all. See ya.